everybody. I am Surya from SP Robotics, Coimbatore, and this is my project automatic doorbell. I have used power supply board, buzzer board and IR sensor and battery. When a when a person stands in front of the door, the sensor will observe and pass the information to the buzzer and the buzzer will buzz. Let me show you.